Hi, in this video I'll be talking about what you need to know about continuity for midterm 1 of Math 100 at UBC. So, you should know the definition of continuity. If a function is continuous at a, that means that the limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to f of a. This may seem obvious, but sometimes functions have cutoffs. So if you have x and y axes, and your function goes up, stops, and resumes over here, then the limit of f of x from this direction is that point, and the limit of f of x from this direction is this point. And we don't know which one is f of a, but the limits clearly aren't equal, so the function isn't continuous. You should now also know a few common functions that are continuous for all x. So for example, e to the x is continuous for all values of x, and any polynomials of x, so x squared, those are all continuous for all of x. Then some functions are only continuous for some values of x. So for example, ln of x is only continuous for x greater than 0. Now an important thing to know about continuity for midterm 1 is the intermediate value theorem. So let's talk a bit about that. Let's say we have this function, and let's call it f of x. So f of x takes on the value a at f of a. F of little a is equal to a. F of little b is equal to b. Now if we know that f of x is continuous, that for any value c that is greater than a and c is less than b, meaning it's somewhere in this region, that there must be little c, which is between a and b. So c is greater than a, c is less than b, and for that value, f of c is equal to c. In other words, if a function takes on two values, then it has to take on all of the values in between those two values at some point on the interval between the values of x.